Hey, this is quite a venue, you know, the Maison de Mosaics Contemporaire at Le Paray-le-Monial. Great space, great light, and it specialises in mosaic, as the name suggests. So in addition to my flying birds, I've been able to bring a cheeky tree of life, a peacock, Maurice, my peacock, who's impersonating William Morris. There's a Parliament of Owls. And we think, in England, we think this is Aesop, but in France it's Fontaine, Fables of Fontaine. And it's the tortoise and the hare, and the crow and the vine. And then we've got this central column where I was able to put my another toucan, another peacock, my secretary birds, the vicious secretary birds who look like Sid Vicious. And we've got some posters and we've got a golden pheasant. So you can see it's quite a spread, really. I'm very pleased to be here. I think this is great, don't you?